Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a really quick video today to show you how to get a free Google Play gift card code working right now in 2025. You can get a really expensive gift card. I think it's around $100 or maybe $250. We will check, but this is a super easy method to get you a Google Play redeem code that you can enter in the Google Play Store, and it's going to supply you with a gift card balance. So just follow the instructions in this video. It will take you a few minutes, but it is worth it considering just how much you're going to get. And let's run through these steps, guys. This is an updated 2025 tutorial showing you how to get free Google Play gift card codes. So you need to use your mobile. You can see I'm using an iPhone. If you're doing this, I'm guessing you're on Android, but it doesn't matter which device you're on. You just need an internet connection. Open up the internet browser that you choose and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it like this. You can pause the video and copy the address down if you need to. Cold Coupons is a awesome website. They have loads of pages. There is a search bar where you click in there and search for Google Play gift cards, and it should pop up, guys. Oh, it's a $100 gift card. So click on that, and you can see this is going to supply you with a free $100 Google Play gift card code working in 2025. You can see these coupons are limited, they are verified, they're highly rated, and they're being used a bunch. So you've got to click on show full code, and this is going to look for a valid and working code for you to grab. So just let this load up. You can see the code is valid, and it says here your code is ready and will be revealed in the box below after verification. So if this is your first time visiting Cold Coupons, you will need to verify you're a real person, and this basically prevents people from stealing all of the limited gift card codes. So click on that button there, and you're going to see this code unlocker, and it says here complete 2 of the tasks below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons and follow the instructions below each one. So you're going to have a list of completely free tasks. They're always going to be completely free, and they do only take a few minutes each to complete. So you can see here, guys, I have things like free surveys. You may see slightly more and you may see different ones, but you can get free mobile game ones as well. I don't have any mobile game ones here, but if you do, they're easy. You just basically follow the instructions that it says. This one is a underwear one where you basically got to create a free account and a free trial. Super easy, guys. Just fully complete 2 of those tasks, and once you do that, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your code will be fully revealed and you can redeem it in the Google Play Store, and this is going to supply you with a $100 free Google Play gift card. So super easy. Head on over to Cold Coupons and follow the instructions you've seen in this video, guys, and that is the best method working right now in 2025 for free Google Play redeem codes. So enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.